How to log in Xero account. So if you want to log in to Xero account, then first of all open up a browser and then check your internet connection, and after that go for the search bar and search for Xero login. And after searching, here you will have www.xero.com login, which is on the first search. Click on that, and then you can go for login, which is here, or you can go for the upper right corner and click on that login. Now it will, and after that it will directly take you to the login page. So to log into your Xero account, first here on the first blank you have to enter your email address, and after entering your email address on the next blank you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can click on that, and then you can enter your email address which you have used to create your account, and after that you will get a code, and after entering that code you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember it, then simply enter it and then click on login. And now you can simply scroll down and then click on not now, and that's it. That's how you log into your Xero account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.